Good day everyone, and welcome to our Excel class. My name is Abdul Hakim. Today we're going to start with Introduction to Excel. We're going to learn the basics, how to do mathematics with Excel. This is for absolute beginner, somebody who doesn't know anything about Excel. Excel is made up of different cells that we have in rows and columns. Here we have the row as row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. And we have the column as A, B, C, D, where the column and the row mate is called a cell. For example, when I click this place, you see that I've clicked D, column D, and row 6. Now you come to the name box here, you see D6. That is called cell D6. In Excel, we have more than 1 million rows. Also, we have 16,000 columns, all of which you can input any of the formula. In Excel, we have formulas and we have functions. When we talk of formulas, we have equals to A plus B. This we have equals to 2 plus 3. That is called formula in Excel. When we talk of functions, functions are specific formulas that are already inbuilt into Excel. Let's say we have 2 and we have 3. Now, we want to use Excel function, we have equals to sum. Open the bracket, that will sum it. Have this, we close the bracket, we enter. There we use functions. Those are inbuilt functions. Most of the formulas, most of the functions can be found here. We have auto sum, recently used, financial, logical, text, date, lookup reference, math, and more. That's about formula and function. Also, you can add and subtract, multiply, divide in Excel without using any of the inbuilt. You just need to use the signs. That is like the earlier one was equals to 2 plus 3. That is it. And we can use equals to 5 minus 2. That's the answer. Also, we have equals to 8 multiplied by 2. So just use any of them. So here we have to add. You select a cell, type C3, and then press enter. Also, we have subtract. Use the same method. Select a cell. For example, like we did here. We have this is a cell, another cell. Now, what we do submission now equals to this cell plus this cell. You select the two cells now, and you press enter. Want to do summation, want to do a subtraction equals to, you select a cell minus, and you select another cell. That is when you have figures inside cells. Also, to multiply, we use the same method to multiply equals to this cell multiply by this cell. Division also can be done the same way. We have this divided by this. So those are the main calculations that we do in Excel, the basic mathematics calculation. Also, we want to introduce you to raised to power. How to use raised to power in Excel? You see, in Excel, you have your raised to power on 6. You see figure 6 on your keyboard. What you have equals to this. Then you press Shift and 6. You press Shift and 6. you will see this sign. This is the sign of raised to power. So with the sign, you can now say, okay, raised to power of 2. So 5 raised to power of 2 equals to 25. That is that. Also, we have, okay, this is what we've done already. Tried this, that we have these two cells, add them together, and subtraction, multiplication, and the rest. Also, you can use functions now. Here, I want to use some functions. Let's use sum here equals to sum. And you open the bracket, or you click tab. When you click on tab, automatically you open the bracket. And you select the range you want to add together. You close the bracket, and that's it. Also, we have here, we want to sum. Okay, this time around, I don't want to use sum as a function, as a formula now. I want to introduce you to a shortcut. Let's highlight the cells. We press shift, then arrow down. What do we do now? Press alt equals to alt and equals to. That is like auto sum. Alt equals to. That will give you auto sum. Also, we have the third method. We use click as AutoSum here under the home tab. We have AutoSum here. We click AutoSum here. So we see that we have. So these are the ways by which you can sum. Also, you can also use this. So this will be time consuming. This plus this plus this plus and this. All these will waste time. But those are the ways by which we can calculate summation. Also, average. Average is okay. There's a function called average. Measure equals to the average, that is mean. Average, press tab, and you select the range. Close the bracket. You have the average there. Also, you can also do average here. You select the range, then under AutoSum here, when you click, you see average here. Click on average. So that is the introduction to Excel class. I hope you enjoy the class. If you do so, remember to subscribe to this channel and click like on the video. Thank you.